Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you all know, I'm Glow with NG, your favorite YouTuber. I'm also a makeup artist based here in Abuja. Thanks for stopping by again. For my returning viewers, my returning subscribers, I love you all. It's because of you I keep coming on here each day. For first timers, thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to grace your screen. If you have not subscribed, please and please, I don't know what you're waiting for, just hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to leave a comment. Tell me what video you want me to upload next. Tell me where you want me to visit, because I'm a beauty, lifestyle and health tips YouTuber. Thank you. This video I want to be showing you guys affordable products that you can use to achieve a flawless makeup look. This product, trust me, they are very affordable. They are drugstore products. You know, most times people think you have to rob the bank before you can look flawless, but trust me, this video is going to show you a lot of drugstore products, a lot of affordable products that you can use to achieve a flawless everyday look. So keep watching. Okay, so firstly I'm going to be using these wipes. You can use any other wipes. This is an affordable wipe, so I'm going to be using it to clean my face. I'll be dropping a video for brows and eyeshadow, but this is just practically telling us basically skin products on achieving a flawless look. So keep watching. So I'm just going to be cleaning my face. To be using this green tea to give my face a little bit of hydration. So you allow that to dry and sit in a little bit. Centerphil moisturizer for a little more hydration. So I'm just going to be applying it minimally. Some people are very generous with their moisturizer. You should be, but this moisturizer is more of advantage to those who have dry skin, because it has a little bit of oil. I'm just going to be taking a little quantity because I have combination skin. For primer, I'm going to be using this primer from Classic Makeup. So I'm just going to be taking a very small quantity. So I'll start application from my nose. You can use a brush for this, but I don't know, I just prefer to use my hands. Make sure your hand is neat. So you apply it on your nose properly, because like I said, I have a combination skin, so my nose is like the first place oil begins to come out from. So you can apply this all over your face, avoiding the under of your eye. Like, apply it on these other regions of your face, but I personally, for this video, I do not want to apply it all over my face. I do not want my face to be so firm. I just want to control the oil that will be produced from these regions of my face. I want my face to still look fresh and alive. So other drugstore product that you can use Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. You can use Blossom Cosmetic Primer. So those products are actually drugstore products that are good, that can help you achieve a flawless makeup look. So for foundation, I'm going to be using this foundation from Maybelline Superstay. This foundation is more for the dry skin, because it kind of have little oil in it, but because I use a primer that is good, and I'm going to be setting my face with setting spray, so I am good to go with this. Okay, so I'm using shade 356 Warm Coconut. So I'm just going to take a little tests. So I start to blend from beneath my neck region just so I can be sure that it's actually my foundation shade. So light-handed, gradually go into your face. For concealers, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro concealers. These concealers are really good, and guys, they are affordable. So I'm going to be using this shade for the inner corners of my eyes. Just little goes a long way, guys. Of my nose. I'm going to also use it up here. So I'm going to be using this shade. I'm going to be leaving all the shade in my description box. This shade is close to my skin tone. I'm just going to be using it at the outer layers of concealer. Okay guys, I'm going to be using this shade for my contour. So much pigments. Guys, you should go easy on this. Really easy. Little quantity go a long way. I'm stuck here. Blending. So guys, I'm going to be blending the concealer out. So right away I'm going to be using this compact powder to set it in. I'm going to bring it. Eyes with black pencil. So guys, I'm going to be using my classic lip stain in Thunder to line my lips. Next, I'm going to be going into my pepper again. And lastly, I'm going to be going into stone. I'll be glossing. Setting. So guys, welcome to the end of this video. Hope you like my makeup. Yeah, so like I said, everything about this makeup products are drugstore products, very affordable, easy to get and easy to use. Okay, so every product I use for this video is going to be in my description box, so don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe. Guys, I'm seeing the love, I'm seeing the views, but I'm not seeing the subscribers. Guys, it's very important for you to subscribe to my channel, please. See you guys in my next video. Ta-da.